Why is your dog smiling? Because he knows a secret. What secret? He ate my sandwich.
We are going to be using our phone for this tutorial, and we are going to be downloading the app. I don't want to waste your time at all with this tutorial. So this is just going to be a fast tutorial on how to generate the kind of video that you just watched now. We're going to go to your Play Store on your phone now. Once you get to your Play Store, you're going to download $AI. So this is how to spell it. You search for $AI like this, and once it brings it out, you're going to install it on your phone. This is it. So make sure this is the one that you're downloading. So once you install it, it's going to tell you to sign up if you don't have an account, and if you already have an account, you are just going to log in. And if you don't want to download this app, you can also access it on your website. So while this is downloading, you can just go to your website and create an account. Just search on any browser of your choice. I don't want to waste your time in this tutorial. I would have showed you everything on how to use the website, but it's the same thing. If you're using your app, it's the same thing as using your browser. So it's just like me repeating the same thing. Once you get to your browser, just type $AI and search for it. And once it brings something like this out, look at the picture, the image of the app. That's the logo of the app. So you download it. Exactly how I'm going to be doing on this app, that is how it's going to bring it out on the website. So I don't need to explain using the website. I'm going to use this app to explain everything, and we are using our mobile phone for everything. So I don't want to hear the excuse that I don't have a phone to start YouTube automation. You can do this on your phone. All you need is your phone and a data. So now you install it and you sign up. You click on open, and once you open it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you sign in or you log in. Once you log in, it's going to bring you to this interface. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this AI creation. I hope you can see it down here. You can generate your images on this app, and you can generate a video. But because I want everything to be fast, I don't want this video to even be up to 8 minutes. I want to just use it to generate my video. I already have my picture. If you don't know how to generate your picture, you can watch other videos on my channel on how to generate AI images. So you click on this video now because we want to generate video. Then it's saying we should add our reference photo. That means which picture do you want to turn to video? This is where I'm going to click on this plus sign, and it's going to take me to my gallery. So now I'm going to choose this image. I'm going to click on next now. So this is the image now. The next thing is, if you want to change the model, you can use Seedance 1.0 here. You can use Seedance 2.0. So I'm going to put it on 2.0, and I'm going to change the ratio now. What's the ratio that you want to put it? The next thing for you to pick is your duration now. I'm going to go with 10 seconds. If you want it to be shorter than that, you can choose 5 seconds. So once you create your 10 seconds video, you now take it to your editing app and you merge all together to make a longer video. You get more coin every day. And if you see that that coin is not enough for you, you can switch your emails. Once you switch your emails, you'll be able to generate as much as possible, or you can just pay for the pro version if you can afford it. So next thing you're going to do is, we've talked about this ratio. I'm going to put it in 16:9 because it's a YouTube video now. So I'm going to describe what I want in the video. What do I want these characters to do now? So I'm going to paste my prompt. Now this is my video prompt. You see this place, I put girl so that it's going to know that it's girl that is saying this. I put boy. I put the action that I want, and so let's now send it to see what is going to generate for us. And if you see that what is generated for you, you don't like it, you are going to keep regenerating till you find a perfect video. And I'm sure that you are going to even see that it's going to be perfect if you prompt it very well. I'm going to click on this send now for it to generate. So it's saying we still have 4 points left today. It's going to be using 2 points and so on. And it's going to be ready in 10 minutes. So now all we need to do is to wait for a while. While this is generating, let me explain some things. You get 3 to 4 video generation daily on this, and you can switch your email if you see that, okay, you want to generate more, a longer video. You keep switching till you generate enough. It must not only be a cartoon character that this AI can generate. Any character that looks like human, it will not generate it, because it feels like you are imitating or you are trying to do someone else video or something like that. So they like generating only this pizza style. It might be 3D cartoon characters, it might be 3D characters, it might be pizza style. There are different types of pizza styles. You can tell ChatGPT to give you, if you don't want it in this 3D pizza animation, you can tell it to give you another one that looks older than this or that looks more attractive than this. So depending on the one that you want, you understand. And please do not make the mistake of coming here to bring realistic woman, because it's not going to work. And I don't want you to start saying it's not working, it's not working. Only use pizza style. It only generates pizza style. Anything that looks human being, it won't generate it, because it will feel like you are copying something, as in you are trying to copy someone else. So it will not generate it. That is their own rule. And you can generate 3 to 4 videos daily, like I said. Another thing I'm going to say is that this thing takes time, you understand. You need to wait for a while. It's going to tell you the exact minutes it's going to finish generating. So once you see that it takes time, you just need to wait. Don't feel like it's not going to generate. It's still going to generate, but it just takes a little while. So now our video are finished generating at the appropriate time. The next thing for us is to download it now. So you click on this arrow here. Can you see this arrow? Then it's loading. You wait for it to download now. You see, saved to device, or you just click on it and click on save here. So this is exactly how to use this app. You are going to enjoy it. Now let's play the video again so that we can see if it is okay. And I'm going to first show you the image that we turned to video. Now let me show you the image and the video.
Why is your dog smiling? Because he knows a secret. What secret? He ate my sandwich.
You see how our video is looking nice? Please subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.